congratulations to the whole team here at GTCC for the exceptional work you're doing here. And I'm looking forward to deepen our cooperation between Düsseldorf and GTTC. I want to strengthen the ties between Düsseldorf, Bengaluru and Karnataka to improve the situation for all of us. I think we can benefit from one another very much. We can learn from one another very much. So keep up the good work here for the good of Düsseldorf and Bengaluru, and we're looking forward not only to cooperating with GTCC but also with the government of Karnataka. That's very important to us. Karnataka is such a wonderful state and has so much to offer, so much potential, so it's a great match for our Düsseldorf and the region. So I'm looking forward to good relations between Düsseldorf and Karnataka as well.
Thank you GTTC for recepting us today. We as the city of Düsseldorf are very, very proud to collaborate with you, and today seeing how high the skilled forces, the learning is here, the passion you work here, it's a confirmation that we are on the right trip and on the path, and I'm looking forward on growing our collaboration with the city of Düsseldorf, and I think there will be many years of success before us, so let's keep it on. Thank you very much again.